Hi everyone. So today I'm gonna talk about number 4 and describe the phases of motor development. So starting off, the first stage is we see people going through starting at birth. Birth to 1 year old is the reflective phase. Reflexes are involuntary subcortical controlled movements and stuff that triggers this involuntary movement can be like touch, light, sounds, and changes in pressures to the babies. The next one is going to be in the hourglass is going to be the rudimentary movement phase, which is from birth to about 2 years old. In this phase, we see more forms of voluntary movements instead of involuntary, which are going to be rudimentary. The rate at which these abilities come depends on the child and varies between their biological, environmental, and task factors. So they're not going to be all at the same rate. Some stability movements you can see during this stage is the control of their neck, their head, and their trunk. When you ever put them like on tummy time or stuff like that. Children learn and maintain their equilibrium as well. That's it for the rudimentary. Going into the third phase is the fundamental phase, in which this is about from 2 to 7 years old. This phase is the outgrowth of the rudimentary. The motor skills and tasks that children are learning are more refined and defined. That's because they are more actively involved in exploring and experimenting with their bodies, the movement of their bodies. Like on the playground, they're actively in sports or playing outside. Lastly is the specialized movement phase, in which is from 7 to 14 years old. These are the outgrowth of the fundamental phase. So during this phase, movement becomes a tool applied to a variety of complex movement activities for daily living, recreation, and sport pursuits. So this is a stage where most skills are refined and mastered to help those throughout our lifetime. Thank you.